In just 5 easy steps, we'll transform those gardening dreams into a flourishing reality. So, let's grab our tools, put on our gardening gloves, and get started. The first step to creating our vertical garden paradise is choosing the perfect spot. Just like selecting a prime piece of real estate, we want a location that maximizes sunlight and air circulation. Now, most vegetables and herbs thrive in 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, so keep that in mind. Southern-facing walls are ideal, as they soak up the most sun throughout the day. But don't fret if you have a shadier spot. There are plenty of shade-loving plants that would be happy to call your vertical garden home. And remember, good air circulation is key to preventing pesky diseases and keeping our plants healthy. So make sure your chosen location has a gentle breeze and isn't too cramped. With the perfect location secured, it's time for the fun part, choosing our vertical garden structure. The beauty of vertical gardening is that it's incredibly versatile and customizable to your space and style. For those who love a rustic touch, repurposed wooden pallets are a fantastic option. Simply add some landscape fabric, create a few planting pockets, and voila! You have a charming and eco-friendly vertical garden. If you prefer a more modern aesthetic, sleek metal wall planters or freestanding vertical towers add a touch of contemporary elegance. And for the DIY enthusiasts, why not try a hanging shoe organizer? Just remember to choose a structure that complements your space and can accommodate the type of plants you're eager to grow. Chapter 3. Now that we have the perfect structure in place, let's talk about the stars of the show, the plants. Selecting the right plants for your vertical garden is like assembling a dream team of greenery. Herbs are a wonderful choice for vertical gardens as they thrive in well-drained soil and don't require a lot of space to flourish. Imagine cascading rosemary, fragrant basil, and vibrant thyme, all within arm's reach. For a pop of color, consider trailing varieties like petunias, nasturtiums, or even strawberries. And let's not forget about the beauty of foliage. Chapter 4. All right, let's get our hands dirty. It's time to prepare our soil and give our plants a cozy new home. When it comes to vertical gardens, using a lightweight and well-draining potting mix is essential. I always recommend adding a slow-release fertilizer to the mix to provide our plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Gently remove your plants from their pots, lightly loosen the roots, and nestle them into their designated pockets or containers. Water thoroughly after planting, ensuring the water reaches the roots at the bottom, and remember, be gentle with those delicate roots. Chapter 5. Congratulations, you've officially built your very own vertical garden. Now let's talk about how to keep it thriving. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the warmer months. I like to check the moisture level of the soil daily and water whenever it feels dry to the touch. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply, but less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. And don't forget to feed your plants. I recommend fertilizing every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. And lastly, don't be afraid to prune. And there you have it, your very own vertical garden. Wasn't that easy? I hope you feel inspired to create your own vertical oasis and experience the joy of gardening in a whole new way. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants, structures, and styles to create a vertical garden that reflects your unique personality and taste. And most importantly, have fun with it. Happy gardening, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.